and I am back with another video. So y'all, I'm just coming on here real quick. I wasn't able to vlog. I wasn't able to edit today for Vlogmas Day. Is this 60? So I have a vlog that I vlogged today, but I'll upload that tomorrow. So I'm just at Chick-fil-A with my daughter, and y'all gonna see that on the next vlog. But I just wanted to make a quick video and say Vlogmas is no joke. Vlogmas is no joke whatsoever. So I'm actually recording this on my phone, but I don't know what's going on with that. Okay, so yeah, so we've been gone all day. I decided to eat inside because it's a lot of traffic. But yeah, Vlogmas is no joke. Vlogmas is no joke. And but I will say that it's preparing me for how consistent I know I can be. Like literally just try to record everything. Like anything is content. Like that sound on TikTok that says everything is content, everything is content, don't forget to film it, don't forget to film it. That is so true. And I haven't been picking up the camera like that because I don't know, I just be nervous recording in the store and stuff like that. And the store is where I'm always at because I'm always cooking. And then when I'm at home, you know, I don't pick up the camera that much. But I said with Vlogmas, I definitely realized a lot of like things that I could be doing that'll make my YouTube process better. And literally, like, I've been doing it. So you see that shit? What you doing? What you want, juice? You want juice? Okay. You got your own juice though. Okay, I'll get your juice. Okay. Yeah, you can have mine. Okay, somebody's throwing a tantrum. Okay, so yeah, so like recording anything that I can, or also like I've been trying to record as if I'm editing. So like I try not to have a lot of like empty space. Like the other day when I did the video with my boyfriend and we did the gingerbread house or the Target house thingy, this man recorded for 23 minutes and the video was only really 8 minutes long when I edited. So like I try not to have a whole bunch of empty space of me doing nothing. Like so like of course he don't understand that because he's not like about the editing part. But take a break. Ooh. So yeah, and then what else I wanted to say? Oh, being organized with your videos. Like I feel like I'm learning a lot of this stuff with YouTube from when I was from TikTok and batch recording too. So like on the weekends I don't record for TikTok, but for YouTube I feel like if I can knock out 2 videos doing the same thing, then that's what I'm gonna start doing. So this weekend I'm gonna try to like batch content and I'm gonna try to make 4 videos with this weekend. So And then yeah, so that's pretty much it. So this is gonna be my Vlogmas Day 16 video, and I want to thank you guys again for watching. I want to thank you guys for supporting me. For those who are here, and y'all been pushing me and motivating me is crazy. And uploading shorts too has been helpful. But yeah, that's pretty much it. But I will see y'all in the next video, and don't forget to subscribe, like this video, and comment down below how is Vlogmas going for you, or if you're not vlogging for Vlogmas, how is your December going, and are you getting ready for the holidays? Really? But bye. I wish Chick-fil-A would sell their products frozen so that it could sell in the store, or even like if we could buy it at the restaurant. That'd be cool. Sit down. So yeah, I'm gonna close this video out here, guys, and I will see y'all next time.